Morning guys, Johnny Boy here. It's getting cold in the mornings now, and I think the weather's changing. We're not quite even into August yet, but I'm all ready to go. Been splitting my logs, and not this morning, the neighbours wouldn't be happy. And just wanted to show you, we're going to be using these soon. These are the BSW Timeless Sleeper, and they look absolutely fantastic, changing the face of sleepers in the country. Hey, have a great day, and keep at it. Well, just getting this ballast in now. It's amazing how quiet it is. Good opportunity now to take 5. We've had 9 tonne delivered. We're over halfway, aren't we?
Yeah.
Jack, over the last couple of weeks, you would have noticed recently about people trying to order, for me, trying to get customers to go and have a look at product, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because what we're getting at the moment is the little samples, you know, the little squares.
Yeah, they're not big enough, not good enough for what people want to see.
No, absolutely.
They able to imagine it better, don't they?
Yeah. So absolutely, yeah. So those little squares, they're not good enough for anyone to see it, let alone them, even for us as well. So they need to see a slab, don't they? But what I was going to say to you, what the suppliers aren't allowing us to do is to go down and give us some samples, big sizes, even if we take them back. Certainly with the porcelain, because they come in 2 in a pack, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and the likelihood is that they don't want them to be chipped or damaged, which is fair enough, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what we got to do is get customers to go
to the places to have a look themselves.
In full size on the floor.
Yeah.
And see it in its entirety,
Display
innit?
areas and all, innit?
Do we need a display area?
Yeah, we would probably. It'd be nice to have one.
Yeah, even if we wasn't selling stuff, it'd be good for people to have a look at stuff, wouldn't it?
Yeah, just like bits left over from jobs, we can make some use out of them. If there's like damaged ones, we can cut some shapes or whatever, just to show them an area, isn't it?
How good would we be at sales with if a customer come into a little display area? How good would us boys be?
Oh, I reckon we could sell sand to the Arabs. I reckon that's how good we are.
Yeah.
Easy.
Yeah, but we I suppose what I'm saying is we'd have some integrity. We'd give them the honest truth, wouldn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not just want to sell the product just because money.
Yeah,
Just
that's right.
Because of the way how good the product is, and obviously plus we really use this, so we know more about it than the sales departments do in all these places.
They're useless, aren't they?
Yeah. They just want to get a sale, don't they?
Yeah, they don't work for it, do they?
No, they know nothing about it really, either do they? Not as much as like the people who actually use it day to day and the quality of it.
If you was choosing a slab now, you've been working with this a while now, like which slab would you use if you was using a paving product?
I'd use porcelain.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why?
I just think it looks better and the quality is much nicer, the finish you get at the end.
It's more neater, isn't it?
Much better than sandstone and things like that. But that's just people's opinions, isn't it?
Patios in this country look really shabby, don't they?
Yeah.
Because people don't... You need to maintain things, don't you?
Yeah, definitely. People just have it there and leave it for years.
Yeah, they do, don't they? But what you like with your car?
Oh, it's cleaned every weekend.
Every weekend.
Yeah.
But it's spotless, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, and everything, no matter what you buy, everything needs to be maintained and looked after, doesn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Well, thank you, Jack Harris, for your insight into the sales and the choices of paving. I really appreciate it. Now, you can get back to it now. We've got my own digger back on site now. We've got to get it through the garage, but what we're going to have to do, we've got to remove the canopy first. Come have a look at the new project. Well, this is where we've got to take the digger, we've got to take the canopy off, we've got to come through here, we've got to watch the threshold of these doors. These are new doors. Gareth, our client, is made at this little section here for this for the threshold, so we don't damage anything. Digger comes through here. If you come around here and have a look, and this is where we've got to put the new patio. So we've got to remove this ground level here, back over to the threshold of the garage, and we've got to try and get rid of it today. Well, I'm on the camera now, and it's coming out. We're reducing this pile of soil drastically. Oh, busy day, and made steady progress. Come on, Jacko! I'm with Greg. Greg, tell us about your business. Social distancing now, mind.
Yeah.
Social distancing. What's your business called?
Pink self-storage.
Pink Self Storage.
Yeah.
And is that self-explanatory, or could you elaborate a little bit more?
Yeah, basically just self-storage sites. We've got about 10 sites started all within South Wales.
What, for people that just want to store books or furniture?
anything, cars, trailers, books, household stuff. You name
Are you
it.
busy?
Yeah, very busy. Yeah, we got a lot going on at the moment now. We're developing a few sites as well, so within South Wales.
Just as an observation, isn't it funny? We're stood here in the rain, getting soaked, aren't we? Right, and we're talking about what inspires us, isn't it? You know, and it's not the money, is it? It's about the work and the passion about what we do. It's about surviving, day in, day out, isn't it? Like, so
the survival,
yeah. And I'm going to be having a look at your garden soon, aren't I?
yeah.
And then we're going to have a look at one of your units.
Yeah.
And we're going to see if we can do something with that as well, aren't we?
Yeah, that'd be good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Make
So-
our sites look nice, wouldn't it?
If somebody was looking for storage in South Wales, come on, give us the web address.
pinkselfstorage.co.uk. Just go on there, and it's basically it's just a couple of clicks, and you've got your storage. So
Yeah, and
you basically just turn up to the gate. It'll give a code for the gate. You go in. It'll give you a code in it'll give you a number for your unit.
Right, okay.
You find your unit. Give a code in for your lockbox. So you put the code in, take your key, and that's your unit then until you.
That's
want
absolutely
to cancel.
brilliant, and that you're going down this road and you're doing something for yourself. You're being creative. You're entrepreneurial about what you're doing, and that's great. And some people are going to say that this is a promotional video. What would you say to people that we are promoting, aren't we?
Yeah, we're all promoting.
Without a doubt, because no one's going to promote us for us, are we?
No.
If we don't do it ourselves.
No, definitely not.
So if this is a promotional video and you don't like it, you need to turn off the video now. And if you like promotional videos, keep watching.
Yeah.
All the best.
Thank you very much.